Hello everyone, and welcome to our demonstration of the Beauty Parlor Management System. This is a complete web application designed to make managing a beauty parlor easier for both the owners and the customers. In this video, we will walk you through all the features of the system, from the public-facing website to the user and admin dashboards. This project built with PHP 8, MySQL, and Bootstrap 5 library. First we have show you from where to download source code of this system, and then after we will show you how to run this system in our local computer. And then after, we will show you complete demo of this beauty parlor management system. So for download source code of this beauty parlor management system, so here, we can see web's lesson info website link. And here, we can see the PHP project link, so here, we have click on this link. So here, PHP project web page has been opened in the browser, and below, we can see the list of PHP and Node.js project available with source code. And for beauty parlor management system, so here we can see, beauty parlor management system article title has been displayed. So here, we have click on this link. So after click on this link, here, we can see that beauty parlor management system article will be load. Now we have scrolled down the web page, so here, we can see that source code download link has been displayed. So we have click on this link, and it has redirect us to source code download web page. And here, we can see that beauty parlor management system source code download page has been displayed. And now for source code download, we have to scroll web page, and here, we can see that source code link has been displayed. Now we have click on this link, so here, we can see that beauty parlor management system source has been downloaded in our computer. Now first we want to extract source code, so here, we have to right click on source code file. So it has been asked for password. So here, we have enter password for extract source code. For get password, you have to define your email address under this video comment box, and we will send you password at your email address. Now here, we can see that source code has been extracted, and we have to open into text editor. And first, we need to create database for this application. So we have goes to database directory, and open this file. And here, you can find MySQL Database script, so we have to copy it. And then after, we have goes to MySQL Database, and run this query, so it will create beauty parlor management system database, and also create respected table also. After this, we have goes to include directory, and we have to open this config.php file. Under this file, first, we have to define URL of this beauty parlor management system, from where we have to run this system. Under this file, first we have to define MySQL database connection details like host, database name, user and password details. After this, we can SMTP details for sending email from this system. And you can also set this application time zone also. And then after, we have to save this file, so it will connect this application with MySQL database. Now we have all set and ready to run this application in browser. So here in browser, we have open app URL in browser. So here, we can see that beauty parlor management system homepage has been displayed on web page, which is what everyone sees when they first visit the website. The homepage is clean and welcoming. You can see the parlor's name and logo at the top. The navigation menu is simple, with links to home, services, and contact. First, let us look at the services page. Here, you can see a list of all the services offered by the parlor, like haircuts, manicures, and facials. Each service has a name, a short description, the price, and how long it takes. This helps customers to know exactly what to expect. Next, let us check out the contact page. If a customer has a question, they can easily get in touch using this contact form. They just need to enter their name, email, subject, and message and click Submit. This is a great way for the parlor to receive feedback and answer questions. Now for new customers who want to book an appointment, so they first need to register. So here, we have click on registration link. So here, new user registration form has been loaded. The registration process is simple. New users just need to provide a username, email, password, and some basic personal information. Once they register, they can log in and start booking appointments. Now we have show you user side dashboard. So for this first we need to log in into system. So here, we can see login form. Now, let us log in as a registered user to see what they can do. So here, we have enter user login details, and after this, we want to click on login button. Once user is logged in, the user is taken to their personal dashboard. Here, the user dashboard gives a quick overview of their recent activity, like from where they can book a new appointment, view their existing appointments, and see their invoices details. Now let us book an appointment. So we have click on this book appointment button. Here booking an appointment is easy. The user can select the services which they want from a list of services. After this, user has to click on next button. After this, user has to select choose a date from the calendar, and after this, click on the next button. In next step, user to pick an available time slot, and then after again click on next button. And this is last step, and here user can define additional details, and below we can see our appointment details, and lastly click on book appointment button. So this way, user can book the appointment. After booking, the user can see their upcoming appointments on the My Appointments page. This page shows a list of all their appointments, with details like the service, date, time, and status, whether it's pending, accepted, or completed. Users can also cancel an appointment from here, if they need to. Next here, we can see My Invoices page, where users can see their payment history. So we have click on this page. Here, users can find a list of all their invoices for completed appointments. They can see the amount, the date, and the payment status. They can also view invoice details and take print of this invoice also. Finally, users can update their personal information on the profile page. On this page, users can change their name, phone number, and address to keep their information up to date. So this is complete demo of user side. Now we have show you admin side demo this system. So here, we have log out from this user account. Now, let us switch to the admin's perspective, and the admin has full control over the system. So for admin login, here in login form, we have to enter admin login details one by one. And click on login button, so when the admin logs in, they see the admin dashboard. The dashboard gives the admin a complete overview of the business, with quick stats on total appointments, customers, and sales. Let us explore the different sections available to the admin. First, check the appointments page. Here, the admin can see all appointments booked by customers. They can filter the appointments by status and can accept or reject new bookings. This is where the admin manages the parlor's schedule. Next is the services page. So here, we have click on service page. On this page, the admin can add new services, edit existing ones, or remove services that are no longer offered. This makes it easy to keep the service list on the public website up to date, and here admin can add, edit or delete service data also. Next is the customers page, where admin can view lists of all registered users, so we have click on this page. Here, the admin can see a list of all customers, along with their contact information. This is useful for marketing and communication. Next we can see the invoices page, which allows the admin to manage all the invoices. So we have click on this page. Here, the admin can see all the invoices generated by the system. They can mark invoices as paid, and can also view the details of each invoice also. Next is the inquiries page, where the admin can manage messages from the contact form. All customer inquiries are displayed here. The admin can read the messages, mark them as read, or delete them. This helps the admin stay on top of customer communication. Finally, the reports page provides valuable insights into the business. The admin can view different types of reports, including sales reports, customer reports, and appointment reports. These reports can be filtered by date, and are visualized with charts, making it easy to understand the business's performance. And this is a complete tour of the beauty parlor management system. It is a powerful tool that simplifies the process of managing a beauty parlor, improving the experience for both the staff and the customers. So this is complete demo of this beauty parlor system. If you want to get complete source code, then you can find source code download link under this video description. And forget source password, you have to share your email address. Under this video comment, we will send password at your email address. Lastly, thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below.